Hello kids, welcome to you. Today we will learn fruits name. Number 1 apple means seb. Number 2 banana means kela. Number 3 mango means aam. Number 4 grapes means angur. Number 5 pineapple means ananas. Number 6 coconut means nariyal. Number 7 kiwi means kiwi. Number 8 orange means santara. Number 9 papaya means papita. Number 10 watermelon means tarboos. Number 11 pear means nashpati. Number 12 pomegranate means anar. Number 13 peach means adu. Number 14 strawberry means strawberry. Number 15 guava means amrud. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.